What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. So, are you looking for business financing? So, one of the best ways to go about obtaining business financing is working with a business finance broker. And one of the best in the business is Rock Financial. Now, Rock Financial is not just any ordinary, loan broker. They're a super broker. So, they have a network of over 75 different lenders. Now, in today's current economic climate, right, banks are tightening up. A lot of lenders are increasing their underwriting criteria. I actually work with a lot of different banks, and one of the things we've seen recently over the last 3 months is that the approval rates for business loans, lines of credit have been going down. There's a lot of interest rate pressures, inflation pressures. One of the most important things if you want to ensure that you're able to get financing is working with a broker, because a broker will be able to match your data points with the right lender. What I see a lot of times is that people just randomly apply to a lot of different places, not really understanding whether or not they're a good fit, and it doesn't always mean that because you get denied, your credit score wasn't good enough or your income wasn't good enough. That's not it at all. Some lenders have specific criteria in terms of the types of businesses that they want to lend to. So even if you have good income, even if you have an 800 credit score, you could still get denied if your business type does not fit within the business model. Working with a broker is going to differentiate things as well, because lenders, they're getting thousands of applications and they're looking for the slightest reason to deny your application. So sometimes the actual channel in which your application is being pushed matters, right? So working with a trusted partner that does a lot of deals with these certain institutions is going to help. And you also have someone on your side who's vouching for you and, making sure that nothing slips through the cracks in terms of, getting your deal submitted. A lot of times, let's say if a lender reaches out to you after you submit an application, you don't answer your phone or you don't respond to the email, they'll consider that lead cold and won't even follow back up. So sometimes you might be wondering, like, hey, what happened? You didn't get a response. That's because there was no follow up. So working with a company like Rock Financial, you have closers on their side who are, doing their best to find the best financing options for you. So if anyone out here is looking for financing, I recommend Rock Financial. They've helped hundreds of Credit Plug subscribers secure millions and millions of dollars in funding over the past 2 years. That's a natural fact. You can ask them yourself. So if you're looking for business finance, click the link right down below. You could pre-qualify with no impact to your credit score. An advisor will reach out to you and walk through the best loan options for your business. Click the link right down below. It's The Rock.